Welcome back to my channel. So today you can see I've got this extra cute scarf on my head because we're going to be doing some hacks, some life hacks, some tips and tricks, and we're going to be testing them out in real life. So actually take them out and about with me on my day-to-day life, and let's see how this goes. I feel like it's going to be a recipe for disaster, but yeah, I'm just going to try 3 things today. 1 hair hack, 1 clothing hack, and then 1 hack for thigh-high boots. If you're anything like me, I love thigh highs, but they can't stay up for nothing. Even with my thick thighs, you know, my thick thighs are meant to save lives. Then you're letting the team down right now. But yeah, so yeah, if you guys want to see the hacks and how they work out, and if you want to learn how to keep your thigh highs up, well, let's hope this works. Keep watching. Yeah, first hack is using a straightener to curl my hair. Now, I've never done this before. I usually just use an actual curler just because I feel like my curls stay better, but apparently this is a great tip and it's fast and efficient. People were saying like they'd literally be able to curl their hair in 5 minutes. I don't know if it'll take 5 minutes, but let's see. Should we stick a timer on it? Yeah, let's stick a timer on it. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna start by using hairspray really quickly on the hair, just using the freeze-hold Got To Be. I feel like it's the Gots to be glued, you know, so that the hair will probably, hopefully, stay. I really hope this works, because otherwise it's gonna be a bit awkward if I'm walking up and down the streets and my hair's like basically going back to flat. But yeah, here goes nothing. I mean, I have a curl. Probably shouldn't have worn black. But yeah, here goes nothing. We're gonna try it and you have to not think about it. Back. Oh jeez, that's hot. Ow. Oh shit, Stan. I feel like I fried my hair. I feel like I can smell that I fried my hair. Cooking like it was cooking. Okay, so 5-ish minutes. What is that one piece? Okay, let's fix this. Let's fix this, shall we? Goodness gracious. Okay. Okay. Right, so everything is curled. Again, I'm going to throw some hairspray on it. And yeah, just going to let it cool. So, hack number 2, you are going to need some equipment. Yes, some equipment. You're going to need some scissors, some E6000 glue, or like super glue, which has always been my best friend and my favourite thing to use ever since I was a child. And last but not least, some Velcro. No, I lied, that's not true, this isn't the last thing. The last thing you need is elastic band. So, I'm going to blue pizza this thing, and here is one I made earlier. Ta-da! Okay. Right, so you're going to use the elastic band, or like, this is like a long elastic thing initially. If you can see, I did a really bad job, but I basically sewed it to closed. I wrapped it around my thigh, made sure it would fit, and then I sewed it closed. And then taking your Velcro, you're going to open it up, stick the rough side, I know you lot know what I mean, like the rough side, stick it to the Velcro, because if you're wearing tights you don't want your actual boots to catch and then destroy your tights. I know because I tried. And then you're basically going to stick the E6000, use the E6000 glue to stick it down on this, and then within the thigh high you're going to put the soft bit in it. So again, using the E6000 glue, pop it in there, stick it on in the back, and then it should mean when you want to wear it, put this on, and then boom. So I had to make this earlier because I'm planning to do this in real time. Oh, I'm kind of hungry. Anyways, so yeah, I did this like a Blue Peter thing ahead of time because I knew I wanted to wear this today. So we're going to probably switch to like a vlog style to put this on. And yeah. This is the elastic band method. As you can see, this one's already rolling down halfway down my leg. The other one, kind of holding, I guess. Let's see how it goes. Oh, left leg is on the move as well. I know this is a bit of a joke. Yeah, I think the elastic band method is a no, guys. He's a no. Hack. The last hack, right, is going to be these shirt situations that everyone and their mama and their auntie and niece and everyone on Instagram has been doing. You know, there's like 5 different ways to wear a shirt. You can do it off the shoulder ting. I will send a picture of me doing the off the shoulder one. It was kind of cute, but it was annoying. It kept riding up every 5 minutes. So in terms of a hack, that wasn't convenient. But this one, I'm hoping will be. I'm going to wear my shirt like this as a top for the whole entire day. Pray for me. Wish me luck. And yeah, let's do it. Okay, so to start with, I've just got the middle buttons here. Well, the middle 3 buttons done. And then we've left the strap on the side. I'm probably going to take that down. She can be hidden as well. And then we're going to take this and this, and we're going to tie them. I believe it said we're going to tie it together. Already I've got this really weird bulging situation here, which is well attractive, isn't it? You know? But yeah, we're going to tie that. Tie it into like a double knot, let's say. It's making me look like my boobs are huge, man. Jeez. Okay. Maybe tie it backwards and get around the back. Oh. Okay, maybe bring it around the back. Is that better? Okay, so I've taken it around the back, so it looks like that. And then I've tied a knot, which I'm going to get all up and close and personal to show you that that looks extra weird. And then I feel like we're just going to tuck it into the jeans. That's what we're going to do. We're going to tuck it into the jeans. There, when in doubt, tuck it in. So, we've made like a 1 shoulder leaf. I have a whole collar is hanging out. So, we're just going to tuck that in as well. That's the top, I guess. That's with it tucked in. go through all this effort for a top that I can buy like this? I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. For those of you that are wondering why the headscarf is still in my head, we're laying down my edges. Well, we're attempting to. Let's hope that today they decide they want to behave. But yeah, so here it is. I feel like it was a good idea sticking with that all black because then it blends a bit more. Might like be able to lie to people a bit more. And let's. So yeah. Okay, so guys, it's a quick check-in. It's about, I want to say 4 or 5 hours later. My curls have definitely dropped a lot more. It's more of like a, I don't even know what you'd call this, like volumized, I guess. More of like a bombshell. Less of like the tighter curls that I had before. My shirt is looking at the Hunchback of Notre Dame. So I think that needs to be changed out. And hi. So just a quick update on the thigh high situation. With the elastic band, it didn't work. It was a big fail. So we're testing another thing, which I've done. I'm coming on here with like literally no makeup. I drawn my eyebrows, and that was about it. Okay, so this is the other hack I was talking about. I literally went to Poundland and bought like the pipe cleaners from like your arts and crafts thing, and then I took my hot glue gun and literally just glued it inside of the shoe. So this is like an old pair of thigh highs that I've had for like a couple of years now. So yeah, this is what I've just tested it out on. On this, it's worked. I don't know if it's because of the type of shoe. The only thing is though, because it is a pipe cleaner, where there's the sharp little metal bits, if you're wearing tights, it might cause a bit of disaster. But so far, this method has definitely worked. So we give it a thumbs up. But yeah, so this is the little pipe cleaners in there. They're not going anywhere. They're staying a bit more. I think, to be fair, with the other ones I probably cheated a little bit, because I don't know, maybe the elastic wasn't tight enough, maybe it was too tight, who knows, but I'll definitely give it like a take 2 and then we'll come back. Hi guys, okay, so final thoughts just to close off the video. I know I mentioned it was a vlog style. Let me know how you guys found it, if you enjoyed it, that sort of thing. But basically, the elastic band thing was a fail. The top was a fail. It was bulging and just looking big everywhere. And what was the last one? The curls. I did like it. I feel like for 5 minutes to get your hair looking curly, I mean, it's like a few days later, to be fair, there's still like a wave. It's not even a curl anymore, it's more just like a wave. I mean, it's not like amazing, but it serves a purpose. It's like that messy, done, undone sort of look, which is a vibe I love to go for. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.